At the Larkin Group, we speak with hundreds, maybe even thousands of St. George area home buyers every year, and we're constantly polling them to find out which features they most desire in their dream home. Their answers? Oh, things like a custom pool with waterfall, huge fully fenced lot with maybe an in-ground trampoline or a putting green, vast open light spaces with plenty of room for guests and entertaining. But very rarely do we find them a home that has all of those features in one property, but today we did. Hi, I'm Jeremy Larkin and you're watching Go St. George TV. Join me as we tour this incredible high desert country estate where you can truly have it all. By the numbers, this beautiful home is situated on one fully fenced acre in the heart of downtown Hurricane, but feels like a million miles away. It offers approximately 5,500 square feet of finished living area with 6 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and an additional nearly 800 square feet of unfinished area for whatever you want. We asked the homeowners what they most appreciate about their property. They mentioned that while the home is right in the center of town, you feel like you are way out in the fields. It is just 2 blocks to the grocery store, Walgreens, post office, banks, gas stations, beauty shops, and even fast food. So there you have it, folks, an absolutely one-of-a-kind country estate that feels like you are a million miles away, but you're right in the heart of downtown. Until next time, I'm Jeremy Larkin saying, we know this town. Oh, excuse me. Hello?